Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to move file and folders on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I show you guys how to do that. For example, if you want to move this folder to any of these folders, I'm gonna show you guys. Just long press this folder. You just need to long press the left side of your mouse and just drag this folder and drop the folder you want to save it, guys. Move to documents or move to downloads. For example, just moving to the downloads folder that has been saved in downloads folder, guys. This is the easiest way to copy, drag and drop to any folders you want it. For example, I just drag this to folder to desktop again. Just right click on this folder. So if you can't able to see this copy paste option, so over here you just need to select show more options to visible all options clearly. Click on this copy option. Now paste it in the downloads folder. Just same way, just need to select that show more options and select paste, and now that folder has been pasted in here, guys. The third way to copy and paste, you just need to press in keyboard Control plus C. This folder, you just need to click on the folder and press in keyboard Control plus C, and you just need to go to the folder you want to save it and press in keyboard Control plus V to paste it and replace the file in the destination. I already having this file in the downloads, that's why it is asking like that. And now that file has been saved, guys. Press in keyboard Control plus C to copy it. Press in keyboard Control plus V to paste it, guys. This is also the easiest way to copy and paste any files and folders. And that's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me, support me, guys. Thank you.